If you're talking about pain in your personal brand as it relates to your audience's pain points, it's not enough. Now, I know you might be saying, Kate, what's the deal? You're always telling me I need to empathize with my audience members' pain. And that's true, but it's also only half the battle. You see, pain has a very nasty underbelly, which is shame. Oftentimes, when we're in pain, we have associated shame with that. And Scientific American talks about how this impacts our self-view. When we experience shame, our energy is directed inward and we have a more negative self-view. This is particularly important if you're marketing services and products to women because statistically, we're more susceptible to feel shame than our male counterparts. Now, the Journal of Consumer Research also shows how shame impacts buying behavior. Oftentimes, when we're in a shame spiral, we're buying products and services to restore our positive self-image. So what do you need to know about this? As a personal brand, as a service provider, it's not enough to acknowledge pain. You have to also coach your audience in forgiving themselves. Perhaps they made a previous purchase that wasn't suitable and they're still shaming themselves for it. And that shame is getting in the way of them interacting or engaging with you and your products and services. So validate the shame, tell them that you understand, but also help them forgive themselves by showing them that this was simply the best option at the time, or that the decision they made was the best they could make at the time. And then create that new reality and how they're going to feel about themselves when they take this new, better informed decision when it comes to working with you. Remember, if you're not addressing shame, you're not in the personal branding game. I was really trying to work on something catchy for that. I'll pencil something and add it into the captions. It's not enough to market to pain. You also have to acknowledge and help your audience get over their shame. I hope this helps. If it did, follow along for more personal branding tips just like this.